aqui de novo. Gente, o vídeo de hoje está muito bom. Como vocês puderam ver no título do vídeo, eu vou passar um trote, vou trollar minha amiga Émilie, que mora lá em Paris, tá? Desculpa. Eu conheci a Émilie no meu intercâmbio que eu fiz lá em Londres. E eu vou ligar pra ela e nós temos a nossa produção maravilhosa, assim, que está com algumas palavras em inglês que eu não sei. E assim, ela vai estar me mostrando as palavras. E quando cada palavra que ela mostrar, eu vou ter que inserir isso durante a conversa. Então eu vou ligar pra minha amiga, que eu espero que vocês consigam escutar. Eu vou colocar no Viva Voz. Eu vou ligar aqui pra ela. E aí eu vou passar um trote pra ela dizendo que eu vou estar me casando, tá? No final do ano. E vou logo explicar o contexto. Assim, coloquem logo a legenda, por favor, porque eu não vou ter como colocar a legenda. Então, coloquem a legenda, por favor, de português pra vocês. E eu vou ligar pra ela dizendo que eu vou me casar e que eu quero que ela venha para o Brasil. Tá bom, deixa eu ligar aqui. Ai, gente, tô nervosa.
Hello?
Hello, Émilie.
Third time.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Were you sleeping?
Not really. It's just that, like, I took the airplane, yesterday, yeah. So I slept all the afternoon, and, like, today I had to work in the morning, and right now I'm just, like, in my room in the boarding school. It's just so good to find my bed, and I don't know.
Oh my god.
I'm just relaxing.
Oh, okay, I promise I'll be fast. So I have to tell you something. So you know that so last year I was seeing a guy, we started dating, and I think I did not tell you, did I?
I think you did.
No, me.
Yeah, I think you did. You did tell me when we were on the beach in Brighton.
Did you understand what I said?
That you're dating a guy.
Yeah, I am dating a guy, but I started after the exchange program.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when I came to Brazil.
Okay.
So we started dating, and I'm a very reserved person, so I didn't tell anybody, at least not on networks. And then we decided to get married.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Happy for you.
Yeah. We will get married on August. This August.
That's so crazy.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. And I am calling you just because of that, because I want to invite you.
Oh, thank you.
Would like to come to Brazil?
Oh, well, I would love to. I just have to talk about it to my parents. But yeah.
You think it's possible? Because if you can't come, I have to replace you.
I'm not so sure because, I told them that I wanted to go to Mexico to meet, like, Alex, and they were like, I don't know. I think, like, it's kind of far, and they made me scared because I'm turning 18 soon, so it's not sure at all. Possibly no. But, like, I would love to.
Yeah, you have to come. You have to come, because we will have a great party with a lot of dishes, and we have our special dish called cow tongue. Have you ever heard about it?
No.
It's delicious, cow tongue. You eat the tongue of the cow. It's amazing.
Okay.
Would you like to try?
Of course.
It's very popular here, popular in our region.
Wow.
And you have to find a place to stay here. But I think you can stay at my home. There's no problem. I'll talk to my parents. But come, please. I would love to have you.
I would love to come too, but I had to talk about it with my parents.
Yeah, talk with them. Please talk to them. And
Okay.
I think you will love my party, because we Brazilian, we love eating, especially my religion. We love eating. You probably get a big belly.
Oh my gosh.
A
I honestly don't care that it's the summer, you know? Like, that's summer body. I want to eat.
Everybody wanna eat. That's the main point of the parties, the weddings, don't you think?
Exactly.
Hey, no, Emily. Now I have to tell you something. And another,
What?
yeah, and another thing about our party, we're gonna celebrate. Not celebrate. Sorry, we're gonna travel to Mumbaba. Have you ever heard about it? In our honeymoon, it's amazing in Brazil. You should come and see it.
Like, you invited me to your honeymoon?
No, not to my honeymoon. You should go another day. No, but yeah, seriously. Now let me tell you something. I am joking. I'm joking. You're in a prank of my video. Say hello to my subscribers on my channel.
Gosh, hello.
I'm not.
Thinking about going to Brazil. This is not funny. I was imagining you on the beach and stuff. Like, oh my god.
I'm so sorry. I was kidding. I'm not dating anyone. I won't get married, unfortunately. But I promise when I get married, I will invite you for sure. It was just a prank for my video, my channel. Did you like it?
Yeah, sure.
And I'm sorry. Now you can sleep. How are you, by the way? Are you fine?
Fine.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for participating and sorry again. Kisses.
It's okay.
I love you, kisses.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Gente, espero que vocês tenham gostado. Eu me diverti muito fazendo esse vídeo, tadinha. Eu queria muito vir ao Brasil, conhecer as praias, mas, né, quem sabe um dia ela ainda vem. Então, se vocês gostaram desse vídeo, se inscrevam no canal, deem o seu like, compartilhem esse vídeo. Quero chegar a muitos inscritos, tá bom? E aí, deem sugestões de quem que eu posso passar a trote também. Valeu, beleza, tchau.